Hey everyone, Nick Griot, Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our collapsible silicone wash bucket. This uniquely sturdy silicone bucket features one-piece, 100% silicone construction, which is unique compared to cheaper alternatives that feature both silicone and plastic construction, which leads to seams that will eventually break down and leak. This bucket has an average of 4mm thick walls throughout and can be collapsed down to a tiny height of 2 inches. Which makes it perfectly transportable. You can throw it right in the trunk of your car and take it on a road trip with you. At full extension, the bucket holds up to 2.5 gallons of water, which makes it ideal for rinseless wash and wax applications. And it can also be used as your wheel washing tool bucket as part of your larger washing process. Like I said, it's great for road trips, washing safely on the road, and it can also be used as a dog dish for your favorite four-legged friend. Thank you for watching. For more information on the collapsible silicone wash bucket, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.